So installed successfully. .env package. Now let's create a file. Dot env file here and paste it here. We're going to add the quick node right here and the private key of our wallet. Let's move on to the deploy.js file and copy this file. And just replace it here. Okay, now here we will need to create a constant folder, because here we have imported this contract address variable from constant folder. So we need to create a constant folder inside it and create a file index.js and copy these two lines. So what do we require in this file is the address of our NFT contract that we have implemented previously. So now let's go into that contract and just going to constant index.js. Here it is, we have the address. Let's paste it here. So now we have this address that we are exporting it from here and getting it here. Okay, great. So now let's move on to hardhat.config.js file, where we will going to configure the deployment part. Now let's compile our contract.